Well, good afternoon, Shannon. Here is your 636 SA, sitting on my 48 flathead. Looking a little old right now, but then again, it's been 12 years. Alrighty, so far so good. Testing and adjustment, no leaks anywhere. Look down the throat, and you can see it's dry down there. That's a good thing. All right, let's fire it up. There she is. All right, she's a little cold-natured, so you're gonna have to be careful. Float set correctly, no drip. Let's look at some numbers. Currently idling at 650. It should be between 650 and 700. Fuel pressure is 2.75. That's good. Right where it should be. Vacuum, 23. Just the way I always like them. That's good. All right, let's run her up. See what we got here. No stumble. That means the metering rod is set correctly. And she falls right back to her rod. All right, sir. I think you'll be happy with it. Thank you.